another video, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Karen or Kitzelreyes. Today I'm going to be talking about some amazing products from one of my favorite brands, Design Essentials. And today I'm going to be talking about their Almond and Avocado line. I did get the chance to try their shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and their curling cream. All of them are amazing products. I cannot wait to show you guys my second day hair. I will be doing a highlight on my Instagram stories, so if you do not follow me on Instagram, please do so. I'm going to be adding my username right here. So if you guys want to see how I use these products, keep on watching. Thank you. Hey guys, I just got out of the shower, so right now I'm going to be using the Design Essential Naturals Almond and Avocado line. This is their leave-in conditioner, so I'm going to start off with their leave-in conditioner. I am going to be applying a little bit to my hair. I will say that the conditioner left my hair super soft. I didn't feel like I had to use a deep conditioner today, so I just went ahead and shampooed and conditioned. I like to emphasize it on the ends of my hair, and I always talk about that because that is what's usually tends to be more dry, and I still have a little bit of damage on the ends of my hairs. On the ends of my hair, I mean. This area always feels a little bit rough, so I am going to be applying a little bit more of their leave-in conditioner there. And I'm really not worried about how you apply the product right now because I am going to be using a brush to kind of help me with a little bit of definition. Okay, so now after I apply the leave-in conditioner, I am going to start applying the curling cream. This is their Almond and Avocado Curling Cream for curly and coily hair. Save up to 30 minutes of styling time. I'm going to read a little bit of the back so you guys can get an idea of what the product does. So it says Design Essentials Natural Almond and Avocado Curling Cream. It's a multi-purpose styler that softens and moisturizes and defines curls while adding definition and shine. No parabens, no paraffins, and no mineral oils. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it. This smells really good. Let's see. I'm going to go a little bit, and then I'm going to start applying more if I need it. So I'm going to start with this much right now, and that's what I'm going to be applying to this whole side of my hair. It is a little thick, I will say that. The consistency is pretty thick. I feel like I still need to add a little bit more, but I am going to move to this side now, and then I'm going to grab a little more. So this is the amount I'm going to be using on this side of my hair. I'm very heavy-handed with my products. Like, I will apply it a lot. That's why I'm trying to like step back a little, and I'm gonna add a little bit more, but not a lot, to kind of like, I don't want my hair to feel weighed down with the product. Okay, so this is the brush I am using right now. It does have, I believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, and I really do like it. You can also use any other brush you have at home to distribute products. And I'm going to do that all over my head. Okay. So this is what my hair looks like as of right now. I am going to air dry for 10 minutes, and then I am going to start diffusing for about 30 minutes or so, or maybe 20 minutes. It just depends on how good their curling cream works and if it really does cut off drying time. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so I want to talk about this real quick. These are my dry results. Obviously, you know, you guys can see them. They look super soft. I did not get a cast with the products. Of course, it is a cream product, so most likely you're not gonna get a cast. But I did notice my hair dried super quick. It dried within like 25 minutes. So I was doing my makeup and my hair just dried. I did not need to diffuse my hair. I know I said I was going to dry for 10 minutes and then diffuse. There was no need for it. My hair is completely dry, and of course I don't have any cast. I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can see the hair. It does feel extremely soft. I am not used to my hair feeling this soft. I got some crazy ringlets right here as well. So I'm really excited about that. I cannot wait to see how second day hair looks, because I think I have told you guys that second day for me is my best day. I just completely love the volume I get. I love the way my hair looks. It just looks all like put together. I'm like blown away by the fact that it like dried within 25 minutes. It's just so crazy. So let's talk a little bit of their leave-in conditioner. This is from the Almond and Avocado line. As you guys saw when I was styling my hair, it was super easy for me to detangle and kind of distribute. I did notice that the Almond and Avocado leave-in conditioner is for all hair types, and their curling cream is just for, obviously, you know, curly and coily hair. So this combo together is a game changer. Like, honestly, like I said, it took me 25 minutes to dry my hair. That's insane. But like always, guys, if you guys have any questions regarding the products, I will be listing all the products down below on the description box. I will be listing prices and where you guys can find them. I will also be adding my experience with the products. So if you guys have any questions, like I said, I'll leave a comment down below, and do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and cannot wait to see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.